Mental health in the workplace, best practices, and legal obligations for employers. In recent years, employers have started recognizing the impact that mental health has on both individual employee well-being and overall company productivity. We've begun to trace straight lines from good mental health to factors like a positive work environment, satisfied employees, stellar company reputation, and reduced legal penalties, among other things. Must ease. Among it. Thus, employers have started focusing on addressing mental health issues in the workplace and providing resources to help employees manage their mental health. Understanding the importance of mental health at work. While an employer may not directly be the cause of their employees' poor mental health, there are good reasons for providing resources to help employees going through mental health issues. Employers should recognize that the company's financial and operational success is shaped by a workplace environment that positively affects employee mental health. By recognizing the direct link between employee mental health and productivity, they can champion initiatives that support employees' mental health. Also, when a company invests in mental health initiatives, employees are more likely to feel more comfortable seeking assistance when facing difficulties. This positive environment fosters creativity, collaboration, and job satisfaction, which in turn leads to improved retention rates and heightened overall performance. Identifying common workplace risks to mental health. There are some negative phenomena that happen in the workplace that affect the mental health of most, if not all, employees. Here are some of them: discrimination and harassment. Discriminating against employees based on protected characteristics can contribute to various mental health challenges, including stress, anxiety, depression, isolation, and avoidance. Work-life imbalance. To maintain their mental well-being, employees have to strike a healthy balance between work and personal life. However, some companies don't make it convenient for their employees to do so. They have excessive workloads, long working hours, tight deadlines, and unrealistic expectations. These can induce mental health challenges, including increased stress, burnout, strained relationships, impact on physical health, and difficulty disconnecting from work. Negative internal culture. Working in a company with a negative internal culture can ruin the mental health of employees. Employees may have a sense of dread because of the environment, and over time feel miserable all the time. Lack of autonomy. An employer, when you hire someone new, you should fully trust that the person is an expert at the role you hired them for. Taking away their autonomy is a great way to disempower employees. Employees who are subjected to a high level of scrutiny and constant supervision are often at risk of developing anxiety, low self-esteem, lack of motivation, and impaired creativity. Tight deadlines. Tight deadlines are something that many fast-growing startups and agencies have to deal with. Unfortunately, forcing employees to constantly deliver stellar work in a short amount of time is detrimental to their mental health. Poor communication. As an employer, you must keep your employees in the know about what's going on in the company and their expectations. When there are unclear instructions, inadequate feedback, and a lack of transparency, employees may feel confused, uncertain, unmotivated, and decreased job satisfaction. Conflict in the workplace refers to disagreements, disputes, or discord between individuals or groups within an organization. These conflicts can arise due to differences in opinions, goals, values, or interpersonal relationships, and they can create a hostile work environment if they go unchecked. Workplace conflicts and bullying can have severe consequences for employees' mental health. How to support employee health and well-being. Employers should work to provide resources that can help employees deal with stress and maintain their mental health. Here are some things employers can do to support employees. Be empathetic. Like all humans, employees get overwhelmed sometimes. As an employer, your job is to sympathize with your employees when they're going through a hard time and figure out a way to alleviate their problems. Create Employee Assistance Program. Employee Assistance Programs, EAPs, are employer-sponsored initiatives designed to provide confidential and professional assistance to employees facing personal or work-related challenges. EAPs offer a range of services aimed at supporting employees' mental health and well-being. Encourage a healthy work-life balance. To help employees strike a balance between their work life and personal life, you could offer flexible work options, such as remote work or flexible scheduling. This allows individuals to accommodate their personal needs, which reduces stress and contributes to their overall well-being. To further promote work-life balance, set realistic expectations for working hours, discourage excessive overtime, and promote the use of vacation days. Also, you could implement flexible leave policies that include mental health days, which allow employees to take time off when needed without fear of repercussions. This goes a long way in preventing burnout and supporting employees' mental well-being. Implement clear communication channels. Establishing open lines of communication allows employees to feel comfortable expressing their concerns, seeking assistance, and receiving feedback. Encourage regular check-ins between supervisors and team members to create a work environment where mental health concerns can be discussed and addressed proactively and without fear of judgment. Organize mental health training programs and resources. Providing training programs that raise awareness about mental health issues, reduce stigma, and teach coping strategies ensures that employees and managers are equipped with the knowledge to recognize and address mental health challenges with empathy. What are your legal obligations as an employer for supporting mental health at work? Supporting your employees' mental health in the workplace isn't just a moral thing, it's also a legal thing. In some cases, encouraging a negative, discriminatory work atmosphere can bring lawsuits to your door. Legal obligations for supporting mental health at work can vary depending on the jurisdiction, but here are some laws to that effect. Leave and accommodation laws. Employment laws like the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, and the Family and Medical Leave Act, FMLA, may require employers to have policies and practices in place for leave and accommodation for mental health-related illnesses. Occupational health and safety laws. Bodies like the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, have laws that require employers to provide a safe and healthy work environment for employees. This includes addressing factors that may affect employees' mental health, such as workplace stressors or hazards. Nurture employees' mental health for sustainable business success. Creating a positive workplace that caters to employees' mental health needs isn't just a moral or legal imperative. It's a commitment to the fundamental dignity of every individual within your organization. By recognizing and addressing the various factors that impact mental health, employers can create work environments that promote empathy, resilience, and a sense of belonging. Establishing open communication, destigmatizing mental health issues, and implementing supportive policies, such as employee assistance programs, contribute to a culture where employees feel valued and supported.